Hi guys, welcome to my channel. It's your girl Tilda, and today I'm back again with another video. In today's video, we are doing a quick 4x4 wig install. The first thing I'm doing is to make sure that the lace matches my skin. So I'm applying some amount of foundation on the lace, just as I'm showing you in the camera. And the next thing I do is to comb my hair just to make sure that there's no tangling at the ends and place the wig on my head. So today I'm not doing the middle part. So I'm placing the wig on the side of my head, just like I'm showing. If you like, you can also put it on the middle side of your head. It's your own choice and decision. But today I'm just doing a side way of melting the lace or installing the wig. So I'm combing my hair backwards because I have some hairs on the front that I don't want to put the spray on it. So I make sure that I comb it backwards. The next thing I do is to use got to be glue spray and then spray some amount on the lace part of the wig just to make it lie down. So after that, use your tail comb to press that part of your wig, the lace part of your wig down. Press it for some time, and then if you have any band here, this is not a band, this is just a ribbon that I'm putting on it. So if you have any lace band, frontal lace band, you can just put it on it and tie it or clip it in and wait for some minutes, for like 10 to 15 minutes, so that the lace will melt down. I struggled a lot whilst trying to tie this ribbon because it's very light and sleepy, but I managed to tie it down. So after that, just make sure that you brush the hair backwards to not interfere with where you place the glue. You don't want to make that portion also lie flat on your forehead, so you have to brush it backwards. And then after that, you can go ahead and either straighten your wig, curl it, do any style that you want to do whilst waiting for your lace to melt down. So go ahead, if you want to do any parting, do it. If you want to curl it, anything you want to do whilst waiting for that 10 to 15 minutes to be up, just go ahead and do it. So I wasn't doing anything much to my wig because it was already straight. I didn't want to straighten it again. I didn't have time. I was in a hurry. So I just brushed it through. I just combed it and then just make sure that the line was clean. That's it. I didn't do much to this wig. As you can see, this wig doesn't need any much work to be done on, except if you want to curl it. This wig is okay, it's fine. But if you want to still go ahead and straighten yours, if it looks like this, go ahead and do it. As I said earlier on, it's your choice. Do whatever you want to do to your wig. So after some time, I took off the band or the ribbon from the lace. Mind you, the first attempt or the first 10 minutes that you lay down, it could be that it didn't properly lay down. So you have to go ahead and spray some amount of the cotton spray or any other styling spray that you have on it. Then continue to press it down, press it down, press it down. If it has to take you like 3 times for the lace to melt, just do it. Make sure you have time for this. Take your time. Don't rush this process. If you want to really melt down your lace, you have to have the time to do that. If you rush, by the time you realize, your lace will be bouncing back and looking at you. So take your time, press down, press down, press down. So after I was done, I just combed out the hair. I don't know, I was so obsessed with this hair that I combed it like several times, even though there was nothing wrong with it. I just liked combing it, combing it, combing it. So yeah, this is it. Not much work was done on this wig. You see why you should invest in good hair. Even though I didn't straighten this hair, it still looks nice and silky, given that, you know, the feel, that silky straight feel, like how a bone straight will look like. Even though there's not a bone straight, it's giving what it's supposed to give. So the next thing to do is to clean out the line, the parted line in the wig. So you have any concealer or a foundation, you can use your tail comb or your eyebrow brush to trace out the line in the middle, just to make the line pop out. So the foundation or the concealer you will use should be a tone darker than your skin, your normal skin tone, a little bit darker, not too dark, not too bright or light. It should be the tone that you use for contouring your forehead, if you get what I mean. So that's it. That's what I'm doing. That's basically what I'm doing there. I didn't do much to this week. I didn't waste time. Did this actually took like 10 minutes to do this whole week install. It wasn't any much work for me. But if you are going to style it in a different way, like curling it or anyhow, you're going to style it, it will take a bit of your time. But anyways, if you want to melt your lace, as I said earlier on, make sure you have time for that. So after that, I was making sure that the lace was still matching my forehead, so I just dipped that place with some amount of the foundation or the concealer, not much, just a little amount of it, and just dab on that place to match my forehead. So this is it. Where is the lace? Where is the lace? I didn't plug the lace. I didn't do anything to this lace. Don't count for me. So that's all for this video. If you want more of such videos, installing frontal wig, how to make frontal wigs, how to make closure wig, I'm there for you. Just make sure you comment down below and tell me your concern, what you didn't like about this video, what you liked about this video. See you guys in my next video. Don't forget to like, comment, share this video. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye.